Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with the August 2024 that's the name. The August 2024 mystery. So let's get into it. So this mystery is no longer available. If you sign up next month, it'll be something different. But let me show you this. If you're interested in it, check out the Buy Sell Trade group. But this one, I don't know if it's gonna show up there much often because let's brunch. I am so excited. I love a food kit and I wanted to do a all breakfast themed kit that was kind of like at home kind of vibe. So it could kind of be like if you're chilling out on the weekend, chilling out during the week, making some breakfast food, going out to get some breakfast food. It's just generally a vibe. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first things first, let's go through the ultimate kit. This is Dust Art and it is exclusive, so you will not find it anywhere else. But let's go ahead and go into the collection. I'll give you some close-ups. So you have like a little breakfast nook there. You have a bunch of different food. I wanted to kind of have like just have a plethora of things. So you have kind of like a classic breakfast with eggs, bacon, and potatoes. You have some Pop-Tarts, a fruit bowl, some cereal. You have this cutie here with the coffee cup as well as the little kitchen scene down here. There is also some donuts, some French toast sticks, some berries, some rice and egg pancakes, and then a little cutie iced coffee. I just am obsessed with this and I just love the colors, and it's kind of like neutral and chill and chic, but such a fun theme with it being a breakfast. You have your deco here along with your really pretty colors there. You can see a little bit better. You have some mimosas here as well. And then you have a waffle board, which say less. Just give me a waffle board right now. The papers are by Kitnish Jess because I just love her papers so much. I love this green one. It's adorable. I want to dress in that print. The bottom washi here, you have like a little box here that'd be perfect for a quote. And the header overlays, your extra boxes here have a tall box of the kitchen, as well as two more fashion options here. You got making a smoothie and again holding the coffee cup, and then the doodles. That is the ultimate kit. The ultimate kit this month did also come with the matte bronze food doodle. I thought matte bronze would be really pretty with this, but I also thought that matte silver would be really nice as well. So this is in confetti. So this will go with so much. You can either use it with this kit or use it with a different kit. I really like the matte silver with it, but again, the matte bronze, you could do a mixed metal of those two. But I thought that this one would be nice because of the cool tones. But this is just in the normal confetti version too. This is the new one with the hole reinforcers, which is really nice. So that is the foil bundle that you got along with the little freebie food doodles as well, little foiled ones there. And that is the ultimate kit. I'm obsessed. I hope you are too. I really like this one. Let's go through the mini kit, which is our more affordable option here. So the mini kit does have the same full box page, doodle, or not doodles, the deco page, glitter headers, mini kit page, bottom washi page, and then the freebie page as well. So you have plenty of boxes in there. There is also the silver matte label sampler along with the matte bronze freebie as well. So that is the mini kit. And then I'll go ahead and show you the add-on options, which will be coming to the shop on the 1st. So these have already been shipped, and then these will be coming to the shop on the 1st. So first thing that we have here, sorry, I'm like out of breath, is doodle 1 and 2. So if you need some extra doodles, there is also label and label 2. The label 2 is a blue, which would brighten it up. You do also have the ombre heart checklist as well as the full box pattern box if you want to add those on. There is more fashion options if you want to add those on. And last but not least is we have all of these scribblers, of course, if you want to add those on. And those will be available through the entire month of August. So anytime that you're placing an SPC order, if you want to grab some extra things to beef this up, you can do so then. So that is everything for this month. I hope that y'all like it. I love a food theme. I love breakfast. I mean, it's some of my favorite foods are breakfast foods. But that's everything for this video. Hope you like it. I'll talk to you guys later. I love you. Bye.